In this video, we'll go over unus said Leo. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is unus said Leo? Unus said Leo is a utility token that's used across the ecosystem. The unusual name is based on a Latin citation from one of Aesop's fables. The cryptocurrency allows Bitfinex users to save money on trading fees. The extent of the discount depends on how much Leo that the customer has in their account, and the savings on offer are spread across 3 tiers. There are fluctuations depending on whether a trading pair is crypto to crypto or crypto to stablecoin. Unus said Leo launched in May 2019, and unlike many other cryptocurrencies out there, it is not designed to exist forever. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The token offers taker fee reduction and lending fee reduction for all platforms, products, and services provided by iFinix. Additionally, the Leo token includes a withdrawal and deposit fee discount of up to 25% and a derivatives taker fee reduction. Furthermore, these discounts apply to Bitfinex and EOS Finex, as both platforms operate under the iFinix banner. Any future platforms built under the iFinix banner will offer similar discounts to Leo token holders. That deduction of up to 25% will be deducted in Leo first, assuming the trader has those tokens in their portfolio. Moreover, the withdrawal and deposit fee discounts are accessible to any user holding over 50 million worth of Leo tokens, to withdraw up to $2 million without additional fees. Any amount above $2 million is subject to a 2% fee, rather than 3%. It is worth mentioning there is a Leo token burn to deflate the supply over time. In the white paper, it is mentioned there are monthly token burns during which iFinix buys back Leo amounts, equal to at least 27% of the consolidated gross revenue generated by iFinix the previous month. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 15 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.